In the fast-paced world of artificial intelligence, the race for dominance has mostly been a show between US tech giants like OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft. These companies have been pouring billions into developing AI systems that power everything from search engines to virtual assistants. But now, a surprising challenger has entered the ring from an unexpected place. Enter China's Deepseek AI, a model that's not only going head-to-head with OpenAI, but doing so at a fraction of the cost. And get this, Deepseek is giving away its high-end, cutting-edge AI for free, leaving the tech world scratching its head and asking, what's their game? The cost revolution, how Deepseek built AI for pennies on the dollar. Let's start by addressing the elephant in the room, cost. It's no secret that training large language models, especially the kind of sophisticated AI that powers systems like OpenAI's GPT series, requires an astronomical investment. OpenAI's flagship model GPT-4 costs somewhere between $41 million and $78 million to develop. Google's Gemini project reportedly ran up a tab of $191 million. But then there's Deepseek, which managed to build a model that competes with these high-end systems using just 2,000 mid-tier Nvidia chips. Yes, you read that correctly, 2,000 chips. While the US giants are using up to 16,000 GPUs for their models, Deepseek has flipped the script, managing to achieve top-tier performance with a much smaller investment. The total cost, a mere $5.5 million. This is not just a marginal saving, this is a game-changing difference in the economics of AI development. Now, let's put this in perspective. Deepseek's engineers claim that they spent only a fraction of what US companies have spent to develop their AI. It's almost as if Deepseek has cracked the code on how to build world-class AI without breaking the bank. It raises the question, why are we still dumping billions into AI projects when there's a clear blueprint for creating these systems for a fraction of the cost? The open source breakthrough, free AI for all. Perhaps the most surprising element of Deepseek's success is its business model, open source. That's right, Deepseek is offering its high-end AI model to anyone who wants it, free of charge. According to their license, anyone who obtains a copy of their model is free to use, modify, distribute, and even sell it. This isn't just a free trial or a limited access version. This is the full open source package. It's akin to giving away the keys to a high-performance car with no strings attached. Why is this so significant? For one, it completely disrupts the traditional AI model. Companies like OpenAI and Google have maintained a proprietary approach to their models, ensuring that only those with deep pockets and exclusive access can use their technology. In contrast, Deepseek is democratizing access to cutting-edge AI by making it available to everyone. Whether you're a startup, a university, or an individual developer, you can now tap into Deepseek's AI without the financial barriers that typically come with such powerful tools. But there's more to it than just the cost savings. By opening up their model to the world, Deepseek is inviting innovation. Researchers, engineers, and companies around the globe can now build on Deepseek's work, creating new tools, applications, and improvements. This open source approach mirrors the success that Google found with Android. By giving away their mobile operating system for free, Google allowed developers to build apps and services on top of it, turning Android into the most widely used operating system in the world. In the same way, Deepseek is laying the foundation for a new AI ecosystem where anyone can contribute and benefit from the technology. Is Deepseek really competing with big tech? At first glance, it may seem too good to be true. After all, how can a Chinese startup outpace the likes of OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft? Some skeptics have wondered if Deepseek is somehow cutting corners. Maybe they're using more GPUs than they claim, or leveraging Nvidia's high-end chips, which are under strict export controls. Others have even suggested that Deepseek's success could be a form of Chinese government propaganda designed to undermine the US tech industry. While these speculations may seem plausible, they don't hold up under scrutiny. Deepseek's engineers have been transparent about their methods, publishing a detailed 22-page research paper that outlines their approach. They didn't rely on secretive methods or under-the-table deals. Instead, they leveraged a cost-effective, efficient engineering process that has allowed them to compete with the big tech players. And perhaps most importantly, they've done so without resorting to proprietary technology or expensive chips. If Deepseek's claims are true, they've managed to build a high-performing AI model using off-the-shelf components that are accessible to any company, anywhere. In fact, this open source approach has allowed Deepseek to leapfrog the competition in a way that was previously thought impossible. While US companies have locked down their AI models behind paywalls, Deepseek has built a platform that encourages collaboration and innovation, and that's a significant shift in the AI landscape. China's strategic play, building a global AI ecosystem. While Deepseek's technical achievements are impressive, the implications of its open source model go far beyond the realm of technology. By releasing their AI to the world for free, Deepseek is positioning China as a leader in the global AI race. In 2017, the Chinese government set a goal to become the world leader in AI by 2030. Now, just 5 years later, Deepseek has put China at the forefront of AI research, challenging the dominance of US tech companies. But this isn't just about technological superiority, it's about geopolitical strategy. The Chinese government has long had a vision of becoming a global leader in AI, and Deepseek's success is a key part of that vision. By open sourcing their AI, China is building a global AI ecosystem where its technology becomes the backbone of the industry. And with China's massive population, the government's ability to control the flow of information, and its support for AI development, it's clear that China is positioning itself to dominate the AI space in ways that US companies cannot. At the same time, China is also exporting its values through its AI technology. The government mandates that all AI models facing customers in China must align with the country's core socialist values. This means that Deepseek's AI, along with other Chinese models, is trained to reject politically sensitive topics and provide answers that align with the government's narrative. While this might sound like censorship, it's part of a broader effort to export China's political ideology abroad, making Deepseek not just an AI model, but a tool for shaping global perceptions. A new world order in AI, the future of open source AI. As Deepseek continues to grow in popularity, it's clear that the open source AI revolution is here to stay. Deepseek's decision to release its powerful AI model for free is a game changer. It's a bold move that challenges the status quo of proprietary AI, making it possible for anyone to build on top of their work and contribute to the evolution of the technology. And just like Android revolutionized the smartphone industry by being an open platform, Deepseek is poised to do the same for AI. With its powerful, cost-effective model and a community of developers eager to improve it, Deepseek is building an ecosystem that will benefit everyone, from researchers to businesses to individual developers. It's not just about the technology, it's about the platform it creates, the innovation it fosters, and the impact it will have on the global AI landscape. Deepseek has proven that AI doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag, and in doing so, they've shown that the future of AI is open, accessible, and collaborative. Whether or not Deepseek will ultimately surpass US companies in the race for AI dominance is still to be seen, but one thing is clear: China is now a force to be reckoned with in the AI world, and Deepseek is leading the charge. Is open source the future of AI? As we look toward the future of AI, it's impossible to ignore the significance of Deepseek's open source model. In many ways, it's the start of a new era, one where collaboration and accessibility drive innovation rather than proprietary control. While it's still early days, the impact of Deepseek's approach cannot be overstated. The AI industry is changing, and it's changing fast. As more companies and countries adopt open source models like Deepseek, the landscape will continue to shift, creating new opportunities and challenges for everyone involved. Well, there you have it. China's Deepseek just shook up the AI world. If you enjoyed this mind-blowing tech journey, don't forget to smash that like and hit that subscribe button before Deepseek predicts your future. And it's all about more videos just like this. Catch you in the next one, where we break down the future of AI. Or maybe just deep dive into another conspiracy theory. Who knows?